Next to make its appearance is the crawler scissor lift platform. Its advantage is that it can overcome various complex terrains, and it can also expand the area of the working platform. This crawler scissor lift also comes in a variety of models, which can rise up to 6 to 16 meters at the highest, meeting most of the work requirements. After demonstrating its uses, it's time for the loading process. It can make a sharp 90-degree turn in place, which shows that it indeed has powerful performance. Next, drive it into the freight truck through the mobile loading bridge as a platform, and then we can set off for the place designated by the customer. Here, you can manually control the direction and speed of the lift to ensure that it can enter the freight truck smoothly. If you are also interested in the crawler scissor lift, you are welcome to contact us. We will reply to you with great care.